Hello everyone, BlueshellVR here today, and today I got a challenge video for myself. Today, I'm going to go through all three maps, Hog Valley, Volcano Lands, and finally Boneyard, only on a Newbiesaurus. Look at this little fill right here. Newbiesaurus is the second dinosaur that I've been added into the game, and well, a lot of players don't really use a Newbiesaurus that much unless you're new. So we're going to test them out and see if we can go through each map without dying, and see how hard it is to go through the map with a Newbiesaurus, or it just not that hard. Who knows? Before the video starts, make sure you hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe button too. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers or 10,000 subscribers so we can get back up to what we used to have on my old channel. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Alright, our adventure has started to Hog Valley. The next, the Volcano Lands. See if we can get through this. It does mean you, newbie. Let go. So we made my way through Hog Valley, just jumping over stuff. There wasn't really any danger until this part right here, where I did hit my hand trying to go up the hay barrels, which I did struggle a couple of times trying to get up. But as soon as I got up, the rest of Hog Valley was a piece of cake. All I gotta do was to walk through the wood, climb up, make my way through the brick castle looking part, go all the way up to the brick house, and we were set free. We made it, chat. We made it. Ugh. There we go. There we go. Hog Valley had been conquered by the Newbiesaurus. Let's go. Alright. Next location is the Volcano Lands. Let go. Now this one gonna be a little bit tricky, but it ain't gonna be tricky as the last one we're gonna go to, which is Boneyard, that have them little bony pigs, them little suckers. Let go. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Ooh, hit my ladder. But we're good. Yeah, this might be easy. Ooh. Huh. 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 Ooh. Ooh. Oh god. Okay, we're good. We're chilling. We're actually chilling. Chilling like a villain. There we go. What's up, bud? And we made it. Now we just need to get across this. But it shouldn't be that hard. Go, come on. Come on. We don't want the ball rug to spawn in, because that could be a bitch and a half. But we're good. I think we're good. We're out here. Oh shit. Okay, we're good. Okay. Dude, it's so hot in here. Legit hot in here. A volcano. Oh shit. Hey, we're gonna die. Oh, we survived. Get out of here. Let's go. Yes. Yes, Volcano Map. I'm out. Go. Let's get out of here. Yes, Volcano Map been conquered. Okay, we got one last map, the hardest of them all, Boneyard. Only reason why this map is the hardest is the bone pits. They like to launch you. So let's go and see what Boneyard have in store for us. Go. That was in Boneyard map. Titan has spawned in. Either that or Ball Road to spawn in. Don't know, but that's there going into this map. Cause we know what we're about to deal with. Wait, what? Oh. I thought that was a frisbee thing. No, that just a dead man. Alright. Ah! Now these guys right here could be tough. Go, jump over them. Go! We gotta go! Oh god. Huh. 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 I don't think they want you. Oh, they do. Oh, shit. Alright, they do in fact launch you. So we gotta be careful on what path we're gonna take. Go. Okay. Try me, pig. Oh god, please. Ooh. Oh no! Ooh. Oh, we caught ourselves. Aha! Straight you little pig. We're out of this. Get off me. No. Shit. Shit. No. Stupid bird. Get off me. That could have been bad. But we're good at avoiding stuff like this. Now this pig will be tricky. I have an idea. Go around. Oh! I thought he was up here for a second. I'm gonna say that ain't possible. Alright. Go. No. Don't do anything. Oh shit. Go. Go. Come on. Can't die like this. Look how I'm lurking over there. Go. Okay. God, I hear a bird. Get off me, super bird. Go. Go. No. You stupid pig. Oh god. Go. No. Oh my god, dude. Oh shit. Get me off the stand. Alright. Oh, you annoying little bastard. No. Shit. No, please. Not like this. My sword don't end like this. Please. Oh god, here. Climb. Oh shit, that could have been bad. Okay. Deep hits are gonna be annoying. I'm gonna try to get past you. Please. Okay. Just jump right here and we'd be safe. Get off me, bird. Go this way. Oh, Newbiesaurus, don't jump that far, but it works. Come on. Don't you try, you stupid pig. No! I killed him though. You don't have to worry about him anymore. How we get back? God, okay. Come on. No, not like this, please. Please. Not like this. Come on. Please. Okay, we're good. We're actually good. Holy shit. No! You stupid ass pig. Get out of here. Okay. We're so close. These pigs are so annoying. Oh god, don't miss. Okay, we're good. Good. Yeah. Fuck the pig. I hear a bird. Okay. Now, gotta get past this guy. Then we're in the home stretch. Hello, my good sir. Please. Go away. Oh god. Don't kill my Newbiesaurus. Please. Ooh. Go away. God, creepy. But we're free. We made it. We just need to get back home. There are no more pits. I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's go. Do we got it? Oh, Wilbur spawned in. And I see the exit. And there we go. Boneyard have been conquered by the Blueshell, man. We did it. Challenge complete. This wasn't that bad. I think Boneyard was a little bit tricky with the pins because getting set back. If there were more pins than that would be a lot harder. Hog Valley, of course, was easy, and you know, Volcano was easy too. And there we go. Challenge complete. Let's go. Like and subscribe.